Welcome to day 11 of our 30 days pattern drafting. In today's video, we shall be making the skirt on your screen. The skirt is high-waisted with gathers. To achieve the high-waist skirt, we're going to be using our basic dress block. So this line here is our waistline. Now we're going to draw a line above this waistline. This is our natural waistline, so we'll draw a line 2 to 3 inches above the waistline. Using our curve, we'll then go ahead and create a curve at this point, like so. The curve is going to be slightly above this new line we have drawn. So this line here becomes our new waistline. And so using our scissors, we'll slash it like so. So the next thing we're going to do now is to draw a line or a curve, I would say 2 inches below the natural waistline. This is still our natural waistline, so we'll draw another curve 2 inches below the natural waistline. And then we'll draw a curve like this. Then we will go ahead and cut it off like this. So this is our bottom and this is our top. Label it CF. CF. It has a corset kind of design at the upper waist. I'm going to increase our waist dart at this point. And go ahead and take out all ease that has been added to your initial measurement. So you increase the width of your dart by say ½ inch, and then ½ inch to this point and this point. You redraw your darts so that this point here will be tight. I've gone ahead and redrawn the darts to increase the width of the dart and make it tight, taking out all other ease allowances added to it. Now I'm cutting it out to create our new pattern. So we're going to label it 1 and this 2. There's now to the lower part of the skirt where we're now going to add fullness to our pattern. To do that, we're going to just divide this entire measurement here by, let's just say 1 inch each. I'm using centimeters here. Label them. So we're going to label 1 here. 1, 2. But I'll then go ahead and slash these lines completely. July, I shall be hosting a skirt class where you should learn how to draft a basic skirt block, how to alter your basic skirt block to create an A-line skirt, how to manipulate your data, how to create volume, how to manipulate your fabric to create gathers, and ultimately how to create this tiered skirt. This class is strictly for beginners. If you're interested, do send a WhatsApp message to this number to be added to our WhatsApp group. Now it's time for me to spread my pattern as desired. This is number 1. I'll place it like this. Now, to spread it is easy. You're going to spread it as you wish. That is, the wider the spread, the fuller the skirt. I'm just going to spread it by 1 inch each like this. I have placed number 1, then I pick number 2 and place it like so. I'm going to do is I'm going to increase the width of my of the side like so that it won't have a hip curve. And the next thing I'm going to do is I would fold it like this. Now I will go ahead and trim off following the shape of what I'm working with. Place it like so on your fabric, and then you will make garter stitch around this area like this. After creating the garters, then you might have joined this first two pieces 1 and 2 together. After joining them, you create the garters with this bottom one here, and then you pull and make garters that would sit and adjust fitly into this.